Hey, let me show you how you can easily perform the hard reset of your Redmi Buds for active. So first of all, I'm going to show you that I'm really connected with my buds. Take a look. I'm right now connected. And to perform this hard reset, first of all, you have to be sure that you charge your charging case for like 30 or 40%. You can actually check the battery level by going into the Xiaomi earbuds application. And after this, you have to put both earbuds inside the charging case. Now close it for like few seconds. Now we are disconnected. So open this case one more time, take both earbuds out of this case. And now when we are connected for the second time, we have 30 seconds to make this gesture. We have to click 5 times together at the same time, just right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now take a look on the connection status. As you can see, we are not connected anymore. And now I've got the new pairing request because we performed the hard reset. And now our previously connection just simply doesn't exist anymore. And now after the reset, they are in the pairing mode automatically. So that's why we got this popping request. Now when I go into the pair new device, I will find my Redmi Buds for active on the list and I can pair them one more time. And that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.